Cooking with the boys.
Today we'll be making a baguette with brie cheese and walnuts.
Today you will need a baguette, brie cheese, walnuts, and honey.
First, you're gonna cut the cheese.
Next, we're going to cut the bread.
Put cheese on as much as you like, but to make it cover the bread up.
Now we're going to put the walnuts on top of the cheese.
Now we're gonna put it under the broiler to warm up the bread.
It's a little overcooked, but it's done. If you're worried about the walnuts getting burnt, you can wait until after this step to put the walnuts.
And serve with a lot of honey.